Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix and solve Deliveroo app error. First, close the Deliveroo app completely and open it again. This often fixes small glitches. If the error continues, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, make sure the Deliveroo app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can cause errors. You can also restart your phone to clear temporary issues. If the problem is still there, uninstall and reinstall the Deliveroo app. And as a last step, contact Deliveroo customer support for help. And that's it. That's how to fix and solve Deliveroo app error. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.